BOSS BV9364B review. Are you tired of using subpar speakers that can't deliver the quality sound you need? Do you find yourself stuck with a speaker that's just not cutting it in your daily life? Whether you're a music lover, an audiophile, or just someone who wants to enjoy their favorite shows and movies without compromise, I've got some bad news for you. Most speakers on the market just aren't up to par. But here's what surprised me about the BOSS BV9364B. It's one of those rare gems that truly delivers. And in this review, we're going to dive deep into why this speaker is a game changer for anyone looking for top-notch sound quality without breaking the bank. So if you're as excited as I am to learn more about this amazing product, be sure to click the link in the description for the best price. The BOSS BV9364B is a compact and lightweight speaker that's perfect for any room in your home. But don't let its size fool you, it packs a punch when it comes to sound quality. With its impressive 20-watt output, this speaker can fill even the largest spaces with crystal-clear audio that's sure to impress. But what really sets the BOSS BV9364B apart is its innovative design. This isn't just any ordinary speaker. It features a unique and patented technology called BOSS Sound that's specifically engineered to produce sound that's both powerful and clear. And when I say clear, I mean it. This thing can produce frequencies as high as 20 kHz, which is unheard of in speakers at this price point. Now, you might be wondering why you need a speaker like the BOSS BV9364B. Well, let me tell you, if you're anything like me, you value your entertainment experience above all else. And with most speakers on the market failing to deliver, it's easy to get frustrated and stuck in a rut. But not with this baby, trust me when I say that it's going to revolutionize the way you enjoy music, movies, and TV shows. But before we dive any deeper, let's take a quick look at some of the key specs. 20-watt output, compact and lightweight design, patented BOSS sound technology for unparalleled sound quality, frequency range, 40 Hz, 20 kHz. Now that you've seen what this speaker can do, are you ready to learn more about how it's going to change your entertainment experience forever? Stay tuned. One of the things I love most about the BOSS BV9364B is its versatility. Whether you're using it for music, movies, or even gaming, this thing can handle it all with ease. And don't worry about running out of battery life. This baby's got a long-lasting rechargeable battery that'll keep you going for hours on end. But here's the best part. I've had my fair share of speakers over the years, and let me tell you, none have ever come close to delivering sound quality like the BOSS BV9364B. And at a price point that's actually affordable, it's a steal. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty details, I want to ask, are you ready to experience the best sound of your life? Or are you still stuck in the dark ages with subpar speakers that just can't cut it? Let me tell you, once you've tried the BOSS BV9364B, there's no going back. And trust me when I say that this thing is a total game changer. Now let's talk about what makes this speaker tick. As I mentioned earlier, it features patented BOSS sound technology that sets it apart from the competition. But what exactly does this mean for you? Well, put simply, it means better sound quality. Period. And don't just take my word for it. The BOSS BV9364B has received rave reviews from users and critics alike. In fact, I've seen people who have used this speaker in all sorts of settings, from backyard barbecues to home theaters, all raving about its incredible sound quality. But what if you're still on the fence? Well, let me ask you. Are you tired of settling for mediocre sound quality in your entertainment experiences? If so, then it's time to take a chance on the BOSS BV9364B. Trust me when I say that this thing is worth every penny. In fact, I'm so confident in this product that I want to offer you a special deal. Be sure to click the link in the description for the best price and to get free shipping on your order. Now let's talk about some of the benefits of using the BOSS BV9364B. For starters, it's incredibly easy to use. Just plug it in, turn it on, and you're good to go. And with its compact design, you can take it with you wherever you go. But don't worry about sacrificing sound quality for portability. This thing delivers both. Whether you're using it at home or on the go, the BOSS BV9364B is sure to impress with its crystal-clear audio and powerful bass. So what are some of the key benefits of using this speaker? Here are just a few. Unparalleled sound quality thanks to patented BOSS sound technology. Compact and lightweight design for easy portability. Long-lasting rechargeable battery for hours of use on end. Perfect for music, movies, gaming, or any other entertainment experience. Now that you've seen some of the benefits of using the BOSS BV9364B, are you ready to take your entertainment experience to the next level? Stay tuned. As I mentioned earlier, this speaker is a total game changer. And if you're still not convinced, let me ask you, what do you have to lose by trying it out for yourself? The truth is, most speakers on the market are just not worth your time or money. But the BOSS BV9364B, that's a different story altogether. With its unparalleled sound quality and compact design, this thing is a must-have for anyone who values their entertainment experience. So what do you say? Are you ready to join the ranks of satisfied users who have discovered the amazing sound quality of the BOSS BV9364B? Stay tuned. Now that we've talked about some of the benefits of using this speaker, let's take a look at some of the features. For starters, it comes with 3.5mm audio input, Bluetooth connectivity for seamless pairing with your devices, volume control and equalizer settings for customized sound. But don't worry, I'm not going to bore you with too many details. The point is that this speaker has everything you need to enjoy top-notch sound quality and then some. In fact, the BOSS BV9364B is so good that I've started using it as my go-to speaker for music, movies, and even gaming. And let me tell you, it's been a total game changer. No more mediocre sound quality or frustrating setup processes, just pure, unadulterated bliss. So what do you say? Are you ready to experience the best sound of your life with the BOSS BV9364B? For the best price, click the link in the description.